This is the SmallRig P20 Universal Foldable Mobile Phone Case. So, yeah, this is the cage, but actually it look like a cage. So it's pocket size and it's not heavy and it's foldable. Uh, okay, you have cold shoe. This is your holder. It's the holder lock, and you have a cold shoe on the side and another cold shoe in the other side. Yeah, again, a SmallRig P20 Universal Foldable Mobile Holder. So mobile here. Okay, your mobile. Take a video and good to go. Right. Yeah, so this is the phone holder. You have two cold shoe side by side, cold shoe and other cold shoe, and of course, quarter in. Quarter ba tawag ito? One-fourth. Yeah, one-fourth female thread. Okay, let's take some sample video using this SmallRig. Yeah, so this is a quick test of SmallRig. From mobile vlogging, you can use also for vlogging. So it's like a run and gun uh, holder at the same time cage. Yeah, if you want to unfold, it's easy to fold. Then you have this and put it in your pocket. Then to go. Again, it's the size. Yeah, so quick and easy to use. Yeah. So again, guys, if you want to check this SmallRig P20 Universal Foldable Mobile Phone Case, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So all the Ulansi product, it's already in our website. So ayan, hanggang dito lang. Thank you and mabuhay.